Good morning, class. Today we will discuss some questions of exercise 11.3. As we discuss the example of 11.3, the chapter is chapter 11. Perimeter and area. Exercise 11.3. We discuss question number 10. Here there is a figure of a circle, and in it there is a figure of two circles and one rectangle. And in this question, the question is that from a circular sheet of radius 14 cm, two circles of radius 3.5 cm and a rectangle of length 3 cm and width 1 meter are removed, and here we have to take the value of pi as 22/7. So now write down the information given. Radius of circle is 14 centimeter. So now we calculate the area of circle. As we know the formula pi r square, we have to take the value of pi as 22/7 and r the value given here 14 centimeter. 7 2s are 14. For calculation, we expand the 22 into 2 into 11 and 2 into 14. 14 4s are 56. When we multiply it, it gives 616 centimeter square. It is the area of circle. This circle the area of whole circle is 616 centimeter square. Note it down. Now we find the area of these two small circles. Area of smaller circle, which is also pi r square. Here the radius of this circle is given 3.5 centimeter. So here we take the value of pi as 22/7. 3.5 into 3.5, 7 5 to 35. So it can be written as 2 into 11 and 0.5 into 3.5. This 0.5 into 2 become 1, and 11 into 3.5. So this become 5, 8 and 3. 38.5 centimeter square. So area of both smaller circle is equals to 38.5 into 2 gives 77 centimeter square. Note it down. Now as given, the length and the breadth of this rectangle. Length of rectangle is 3 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is 1 centimeter. Now here we find the area of rectangle is length into breadth, that is 3 into 1 gives 3 centimeter square. Now the area of remaining sheet is equals to area of both circle minus plus area now area of remaining sheet is equals to area of circle minus area of both smaller circle minus area of rectangle. So area of circle here is 616 minus area of both smaller circle is 77 centimeter square minus area of rectangle is 3. So 616 minus 80. When you subtract it, you find here 6 and 536 centimeter square. Area of remaining sheet is 536 centimeter square. Note it down. Note it down. Let me explain it again. Here the question is asked that we have to find the area of remaining seat. There is a circular seat in between two circle is take out and one rectangle is take out. So here we find the area which is taken out, that is 77 plus 3, and the area of total circular seat is 616 centimeter square. So here area of remaining seat is 536 centimeter square. Now we discuss the next question. Question number 12. The question is, the circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Circumference of the circle is equals to 31.4 centimeter. We have to find its radius, and after that we have to find its area, and here we take pi equals to 3.14, which is given in the question. So as we know that circumference of the circle, the numerical value is 31.4, and the formula for that 2 pi r, 31.4. So 2 into 3.14 into r. So here 31.4. So r is equals to 31.4 upon 3.14 into 2. Here when you cut it down, 31.4 by 3.14, you find here 10. So r is equals to 10 upon 2, that is 5 centimeter. So radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. Note it down. Here as we calculate its radius, now we can calculate its area. Area of the circle, formula is pi r square. So 3.14 into 5 into 5. 3.14 into 25, 25 fours are 100, 10 carry, 25 ones are 10, 25 ones are 25 plus 10, 35, 3 carry, 25 threes are 75 plus 3, 78, 78.50 centimeter square. Note it down. Now we are going to solve the next question. Question number 17. Question number 17. The question is that the minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. There is a clock. It is the minute hand and it is 15 centimeter long. And how far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? In 1 hour. In 1 hour, it has to move a whole round of the clock. So the minute hand have to move in 1 hour equals to circumference of the clock, which is equals to 2 pi r, and here as it is given in the question we have to take pi equals to 3.14 and radius is the length of the minute hand, that is 15. So 15 fours are 60 and 15 ones are 15 plus 6, that 21, 2 carry, 15 ones are 30, 15 threes are 35 plus 2, 47.10 into 2, that is 94.20 centimeter. So the minute hand have to move 94.20 centimeter in 1 hour, because it has to cover the whole circumference or whole boundary of the clock. Note it down. it's all over for today. We will do the next chapter, sorry, next exercise in the next class. Thank you.